What up, guys? Diaz Vlogs. I'm back again with another vlog today. Today is going to be a quick and short vlog. We got lots of things coming into the channel, and I just want to say, for one, shout outs are going to be close to the ending of the video. Number two, stay tuned for the whole video. Please give a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And number three, I have something that I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to add right now. So basically for the channel, we are so close to 700 subscribers, but I do have a deal for you guys. If you guys can help share out, you know, and kind of we'll all grow together, because if we can make it to 800 subscribers, guys, I'm going to buy a cold air intake for the Jetta over there. I will buy a cold air intake and put it in and do a whole video and a sound test and everything in installation once when we get it to 800 subscribers. So guys, try your best, thank you guys for staying for the channel and everything. But once when we once when we get to 800 subscribers, you are seeing a cold air intake installation right off the bat. I will order the part more than gladly, show you guys me ordering the part without my private information, and we will have a cold air intake on that car. But I don't know, guys, I don't know if you guys checked the Instagram page or not, but we might have gotten something for the car. I don't know, I'm kind of anxious. I mean, did I get something for the Jetta? I don't know. It's hard to say right now. I'm literally sitting here, I'm like, I can't say anything, but I'm either really excited or it's a waste of my time. So put down in the comments below if you guys feel like I did get something for the car or if I didn't. And actually, another crazy thing too that we got to fix on the car that I'm kind of sad about, what we got to do is, you know how we did the lights for the lighting underneath? So for the lighting underneath, oh yeah, I got the torque stick in there, I had to torque the wheels. Look what happened. So the strip, because there's nowhere else to put it, I mean, and plus it was hot here in the car, I'm gonna see if I can find an entry or somewhere where I could put a zip tie so that it stays, and then we'll cut the zip tie, you know, because the other side, that's what we did. I'll show you guys on the other side. So on the other side, we basically grabbed just two small like zip ties and stuff, and here you guys can see already where the first one's at, and it's hanging on pretty nice even on the other side because there's already naturally holes there. And so even if I rip off the panel for the fuse box here, because this is a fuse as well, it doesn't interrupt, or not interrupt, it doesn't get in the way of anything. So that's definitely good. But guys, actually, I'm gonna show you guys the engine real quick. I'm gonna just like hop the hood, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be working with a little bit. We are going to be here. We're gonna clip out, or not clip out, we'll stay on. But see right here, we're just gonna remove this piping right here, which is not easy, or it's not that hard is what I meant to say. And all we gotta do is just get the tools, just remove this right here, just the bolt, because it's the hex key. And then there's also one down below, so we're gonna take that off. And then I think there's a bunch of stuff under here too. Thing is that this stays on right here, the hose over here, but I gotta figure out how to detach underneath over here so that we can remove everything properly, because this is the air duct that goes in for the filter that's on here right now. And then over here, this right here with the piping, I'm thinking that hopefully it's gonna be somewhere near, because moving this and bending this around, I mean, we might just have to get a tube ourselves and then clamp it down with the hose clamp. Over here we'll probably have to just hose clamp, and then we'll save this, and then if we want to ever go back to stock filter, we'll just put it right back here. But as well as here, I'm thinking about doing something with the top head. I'm really thinking about doing something with the top head, like just remove it out and just paint it to match the car, you know, just something to do, something, you know, to get the boredom out. Another thing too is I'm trying to figure out there, like, is it supposed to not be any like a band here, or I'm not too sure. For all your people that own a Jetta, you know, out there, for people that watch the content like a 2019, is it just supposed to be that single band there? I think so. I'm not even too sure. I mean, the car was brand spanking new, actually. And then, yeah, I think that's basically it. But once again, guys, 800 subscribers, and I'll be more than glad to put that cold air intake on for you guys. But also as well, if we can get to let's say, nah, we'll just stick with 800 and we'll stay there. But that's basically it. I mean, what we're gonna be doing to the car. And then for project car, actually correlating with the comment I got in the last video from El Huachicocho. Yes, so I know I'm gonna keep the Jetta and do everything, man, but I'm like itching to like take like something apart, you know, and I'm sitting here and I'm like, man, I have to do something. I gotta do something, and I gotta do it quick, because I just feel the need to just take apart, like take the engine out, swap it, do something, you know, and have fun with the car. And this is just the daily driver, you know. I don't want to do too many crazy things to it, you know. I don't want to go crazy on the Jetta. We're just gonna hook it up real nice though, like visually pleasing and stuff. And then for the project car, that's where I wanted to take it to the next level and performance it out. But I also understand where you're getting at, because we're gonna finish one project at a time, and so we're definitely doing that. We're not gonna rush into getting another like car right away, but we are gonna take our time and getting, you know, the Jetta hooked up first. Plus the last thing I feel like to accomplish this is the rims. I don't think I'm gonna even do coilovers, because I don't want to go low, you know. We're just gonna put 18s up front. We're gonna go 18 by 9s and then 18 by 10s in the back. If they don't, I don't think they had 10s for the rims I was looking at, so we'll do 18 by I think it was 8.5 up front, and then, or 8 up front and then 9 in the back, so at least we can get that staggered look. And then the thing is, I didn't want to go with the spacers, like really thick spacers, because if we go with thick spacers, I don't want to hit like a pothole, and next thing you know, just because of the spacers, you know what I mean. I would just want to get something that'll flushly, you know, like fill in that gap, because right now the wheels, if I'm looking right over here, I don't know if you guys can see it, the wheels are sitting like more in. If I get the tires where it's nice and like wide, and then we could also get the like just a normal small like amount flushed in, that would be perfect. The car would be looking really nice. I do need to find out where I can go for sunroof, because thing is that I know that the Jetta GLIs, I'm not too sure, I think the GLIs come with the sunroof, and I know that there's a place around here that does sunroof installations with no problem at all, and they're professional. I just gotta find out where they're at and how much they can quote me on that. So I think that'll be the final and most challenging thing to do for the car, is that sunroof, because man, that sunroof will really make the car, and that'll really, I feel like it'll give it that more look to it, you know what I mean, and that would honestly make it really nice. But today's weather, guys, it's so beautiful, but what I'm worried about is tomorrow's weather, because whether or not that I get a package or not, it's oh yeah, oh god, I heard music. Yep, never mind. My little sister was blasting music. I don't want YouTube to go crazy because of the music. But what was I gonna say? Today's weather is beautiful, but problem is that tomorrow's weather is supposed to be like really bad and raining, and I don't know if we're gonna get this package or not, or are we? But yeah, it's like, who knows? I mean, hopefully we can get everything done proper, I guess, with the with what we might do. If not, I mean, if I don't get it, then oh well, let it rain. But yeah, guys, I mean, I'm just sitting here, I'm like, but the problem is with this nice weather, everybody's out, and it's kind of scary seeing how many people are outside. But then at the same time, it's like, what can we all do, really? I mean, even throughout this hard time, you know what I mean? But as I said, this video was short. I thought I'd let you guys know what we were gonna do. Actually, we're gonna clip out real quick so I can find my phone, and I'll do the shout out real quick, guys. All right, guys, we are back, and right now we're gonna start with the shout outs. So one from Charles MacArthur, shout out to you, man. And when my parents had a pool, they used to shop vac to get. Yeah, that's what I was actually when I responded back to your comment, I was actually finishing up with the shop vac, because the water was just, it was incredibly dirty from all the rain and stuff, of course, and then two, it had to be done because this nice weather out now, and because since we're like you know, quarantine in, self-quarantine in and all that. It's like we can have the pool hookup. But that's cool though. I mean, I want to get a powerful shop vac because, man, like our shop vac, the shop vac that I was using, it doesn't have that much power. But yeah. And then Stoked El Matador Gang, shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. El Huache Cocho, I answered your question earlier in the video. If you're looking now for the shout out, you could rewind back to the earlier video and then talk to you about the Jetta. Let's see. And then Shack Diesel, heck yeah, man. And then Alex Hernandez, shout out to you. Keep it up, do some mods to the car. Yeah, we're gonna do some stuff to the car, man, but we're not gonna go crazy because since it's like the daily, you know, I don't want to like go crazy, you know, on the daily car. This is like my A to B right now and stuff, but we are gonna make it really nice for you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that. But that's all the shout outs and comments for previous video. If you guys want, in the next video, if you guys want to get a shout out, make sure you stay tuned for the whole video. Please give a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see that cold air intake installation video, we're gonna be doing, it's gonna be a mixture of a time lapse, and it's gonna be a mixture of, you know, like actually showing like what to do, because I know on YouTube they don't have too many videos for the Jetta on installation and everything. So I want to be able to be, you know, one of the many people that do have the videos. You know, I want to be able to show you guys too, so that for if you guys decide to get a Volkswagen Jetta, the MK7, you guys definitely know where to go and where to look. So that's gonna be at 800 subscribers, by the way, so make sure you guys share the content if you guys want to see that. But once again, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. You guys stay safe, especially throughout these times, and have a good one. Diaz Vlogs is out. Hey guys, Diaz Vlogs here. If you guys enjoyed the content, smash that subscribe button. Also, if you guys want a shout out, make sure to comment down below and hit that like button. But once again, guys, thank you guys for staying tuned. Have a good rest of the day.